Welcome to the Sustainomics.
Thank you.
I have with me Mr. Ramesh Krishnamurthy, who is the Global Test and Validation Site Engineering Leader for TE Connectivity.
Yeah.
Right? Thank you for taking time out, first off, to
Thank
spend
you very
with
much.
us.
Thank you for the great opportunity as well.
I have two small questions for you. How do engineering operations really contribute to sustainability in the manufacturing sector?
Oh, okay. So that's an interesting question.
Yeah.
Engineering operations basically, I think, plays a significant role in terms of sustainability because it gives a platform for various avenues to the entire organization, finding different ways. So, namely, first thing I can name is the product's lifecycle management. It starts from product lifecycle management because uh, uh, right from concept to the manufacturing insertion and then the aftermarket, right? Sustainability, there is a lot of opportunities for sustainability. For example, reuse of material.
Right.
For example, if I take a smart sensors, how can smart sensors enable for optimizing the energy utilization in a manufacturing environment?
Yeah.
So that is number one.
Yeah.
So because sensors plays a significant role, I come from a sensors background, and I can give an example of sensors. It gives smart sensing opportunity to identify and what do you call monitor, control the energy efficiency of the systems in the manufacturing plants.
Right.
One is the energy efficiency. The second one is the water management. How can smart sensors enable the water management in an organization?
Yeah.
So that also plays a significant role, because there's a lot of water treatment plants. Every organization is mandated, in fact, by the concerned government agencies, right? So that is one of the thing. And then on a long term product evaluation, so each and every product is getting into huge amount of what do you call a reliability testing. So because it increases the confidence in the customer's value, it creates a value in a value proposition in the whole market segment, because the way it has been tested, it gives a confidence to the customer because of environmental related factors.
Yeah.
The product is tested for reliability, the product is tested for accuracy, so the failure reduces. If the failure reduces, the automatically the what do you call the reworks and all the things significantly reduces.
And I think especially now, because customers are so well informed,
Yeah.
they like to know every single thing about a product.
Exactly.
So you definitely want to know about the reliability of every little bit that you use. And I think that's where your manufacturing sector sort of has a large role to play in answering customer questions, which is
Exactly.
getting tougher and tougher.
Exactly.
Because I think human beings, we also set really unreasonable targets at some point.
Yes.
Which really is a tough thing to sort of follow
Absolutely.
through on.
If you see, every customer wants a highly reliable product at a lower cost.
Right.
So that's where
Yeah.
that way the sustainability and the reliability plays a significant role there.
Yeah, definitely. And then that falls back on our whole issues with our awareness of climate change. So I'm going to have to ask you a question. What practices sort of ensure environmental responsibility when you're managing a global facility?
Okay. See, I was recently responsible for setting up a global centralized test lab here in Bangalore for TE connectivity. So there, some of the best practices that we followed was following the sustainability. We adopted the sustainability incorporation in right from the building management systems, reusing the water resources, and then getting the energy from solar, and that was a major one. And wherever we could optimize the energy balancing, we could do it, and then go for a 5-star enabled equipments, which consumes lesser power.
Yeah.
So that's one of the thing. And we went to a campus. We identified the campus where there is a significant amount of sustainability factors in place. So we used one of the builder, and then we negotiated with the builder, and then we came up where the solar enough good solar opportunities utilization there.
And I think the whole thing is because we're all so much more conscious now about what we use.
Absolutely.
And that sort of plays across industries, and then to follow through with that in every sector is getting tougher by the day, right?
So if you see in our campus, we use around in the new campus which we have gone there. It's about 3 months back we went there. So all our lighting is 100% solar, and majority around 50 to 60% of our equipment, smaller equipments, single phase equipments run on the solar power. So that's the significant savings also.
Yeah.
And we are also contributing to the environment and the next generations to come. So
and I think that sort of spreads through to your workforce as well, because once they see the organization and the way we handle things at the organizational level, that moves back towards their homes as well.
Yes,
I'm sure.
and also the kind of materials that we chose for the flooring or for the office furnitures, and it's all reused material.
Right.
So we, for example, we used an ESD flooring thing, wherein we had to, we didn't get, of course, here in India, but we had to import because we were very choosy about the application, and we choose the reused material. And then we also needed an acoustic environmental for some of the lab areas, because the equipments makes a lot of noise. So where the acoustic materials what we used was all reused materials.
Oh, excellent.
So that's one of the very good best practices. And also, in fact, we are going for a certification also for sustainability factor. So we are attempting for a gold certification.
Oh, that's lovely to hear.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much for your time. It's been such a pleasure talking to you. Thank you.